So the seat of the chair is the guideline. Inhale and come back, exhale and change to the sideways. Hold here. 1, 3, 4. Come to the central position, neutral position, where both the knees are down. You are doing Ustrasana. Ustrasana, hold the chair, shift away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come back, going to Shashankasana, drop, fold forward, extend the hands, lower down. Between the continuous movement, to maintain the quality of your asanas throughout the class, there are counter poses, asanas, where you drop, you take the energy, you breathe, listening to the body, and then coming back. And that's how, the rhythm of harmonious movement is maintained. Inhaling, come back, exhaling, standing on the knees and taking your left foot forward. Left foot is forward. Shift the weight forward and extend both the hands back. See Ritesh, take this knee back, this right knee back. Now shift. With both hands first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Inhale, come back. We'll do the twist. Extend the opposite hand forward. Opposite hand forward. That's it. Hold it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Shift the hand and find the knee. Twist, shift back, shift forward, yes, and stretch to open up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhaling, return back towards the chair itself. Turn around to the chair. Sitting in Vajrasana. Extend the hands. Drop the head. This is a different variation of Sashankasana. Ekam, elongating the hands and just dropping the head on the seat of the chair. 2. Listen to your breath. Breath has lot of intelligence. Whole body is working only because of the breath. So listen to the power. Second type of Ustrasana. Inhale, stand on the knees. Shift your navel forward to the edge of the chair. And take the hand to the heel. So how will you manage? Keeping your chair close to you. Use only one hand now. Extend the right hand back. Hold here. Wait sir, extend the left hand forward here. So both the hands in opposite direction. Yes, take the hand back on the heel. Yes, hold here. Why are we doing this? To manage the energy and to understand how much we have to move back and how much we have to shift forward. So the seat of the chair is the guideline. Inhale and come back, exhale and change. Is this working, class? It's working, Ritesh sir?
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Inhale and come back, exhale. Come back to Parvatasana. Place your chair only on the mat, not beyond mat. Chair on the mat. Right foot step forward. Fix the back foot. Extend the right hand on the backrest of the chair. And from here extend the left hand away. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right hand will shift on the seat of the chair and left hand will slowly go up to the ceiling and place will get dropped on the backrest. Yeah. 1. And your energy is shifting away from the chair. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Both the hands on the seat of the chair. On the seat of the chair, lift the chest up. Head up. 1, 5. Bend the right knee. Drop the left elbow down on the seat of the chair. Right hand over the head on the backrest. Keep twisting and opening. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Parvatasana as you exhale. Bend the knees, raise the heels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Left foot forward in the center of the chair. Align your right leg. Open the body. Open both the hands to the sideways. Leave the chair. Open the body. Open your body to the sideways. Hold here. 1, 2, 3. Extend the left hand to the backrest. Hold. 1. Palms facing outward. 2. Release the left palm on the seat of the chair. 3. Extend the right. Extend which hand? Right hand up over the head. Allow the left hand to get on the backrest of the chair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Padivritta Trikonasana. Both hands on the seat of the chair. 1. Right palm to the left side of the chair. 2. Wait. Raise left hand up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bend the front knee. Continue the position. 1. Extend the hand over the head, upper hand over the head. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Inhale, come back. Exhale, stand upright, back foot forward. Turn around. Turn around. Both heels towards the leg of the chair. Hold the backrest of the chair, open the chest. Shift the head down. Sir, पीछे आइए. Open the legs, chair distance wide, hands to the handle of the chair. Shift the chest, shoulder blade away, shoulder blades away from the chair, chest forward, engage the glutes. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.